Hi all, my name is Pallavi Narayanan. In last video I taught example 1.2 in lesson 1 relations and functions. I provided a link in the description box. If you people want to go through, kindly go through that. Today we are going to see example 1.3. In example 1.3 you can able to see let A is equal to X belongs to, now they have given A, B and C elements, okay. So this is A elements, this is B and C elements, and they are asked us to verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, and A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, okay. I hope you people would have learned in previous standards how to do B union and intersection and all, right? So we are going to do union intersection. We have to verify that. Okay. Before that, we have to see given. Okay. So what is given is A is equal to X belongs to N for all 1 strictly less than X strictly less than 4, and B is equal to X belongs to W for all 0 less than or equal to X less than 2, and C is equal to X belongs to N for all X is strictly less than 3. Okay. So they have given A, B, C in the interval form. Okay, so this is the elements of A will be in the interval of 1 less than X less than 4, and B's elements will be in the interval between 0 to 2, and C will be the C elements will be and the C elements will be in the interval less than 3. Okay, so less than 3 elements and all will belong to C. Okay, so first we have to find the elements of A. So elements of A, say see here, X belongs to N for all 1 less than X less than 4. It is strictly less than X, strictly less than 4, right? So 1 is we should not include 1, okay? It's because 1 is strictly less than X, so you should not include 1. So we have to write all the elements which is between the interval 1 comma 1 and 4. Okay, so after 1 is 2, so we can list 2. After 2 is 3, so we are listing here 3, and 4 is also 60 less X is 60 less than 4, so we should not include 4 also. Okay, so we should not include 1 and 4. So in that place we are using 2 and 3. Similarly for B, okay, for B also X belongs to W for all 0 less than or equal to X less than 2, right? So here also what you're going to do is, since Z is less than or equal to X, it's not strictly less than, right? They have given less than or equal to, so you can include 0 element. So here see they have included 0, and what are the elements between 0 and 2 will be there, we have to find out. Okay, so 0, after 0, 1, so we are listing 1. After 1 is 2, but X is strictly less than 2, right? So we should not include 2, so only 0 and 1 are these elements. Okay, then next we are going to see X belongs to N for all X strictly less than 3. So that is what they have said, strictly less than. So strictly less than means 3 means we should not include 3. So what are the elements which is less than 3? 1 and 2, right? 1, 2 are 2 elements that is strictly less than 3. So we are writing only 1, 2. We are not writing 3 because it is not given less than or equal to. It is given strictly less than. Okay. Okay, so before this, as I said, we have found A's element as 2, 3, B's element as 0, 1, and C's element is 1, 2. Okay, so now we found out A, B, C elements. So this is given. Okay, given A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 0, 1, and C is equal to 1, 2. So this is a given. So from this, we have to find out. We have to verify that. Verify means we are going to prove. What we are going to prove is A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, and A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So that is what we are going to prove. So first we will find out A cross B. Okay, first we'll find out A cross B union C. That is, this is first we are going to find out this one, first one. Okay, and then only we will move on to, and then we will move on to second one. So first we will see first one. Okay, in that first one we have to see LHS. Okay, so this is LHS and this is RHS. We have to prove these two are equal, right? So first we will find out what is LHS. Okay, LHS is A cross B union C. Here you have to see, first you have to find, we have to find out what is A cross B union C. So before finding out A cross B union C, we have to see whether brackets are there. Okay, see here bracket is there, for B union C bracket is there. So first we have to find out whatever is there inside the bracket. Okay, so first we have to find out B union C. Okay, once we found out B union C, we can cross product with A. Okay, we can do the cross product with A. So first here you see, first they found out B union C. Okay, we know the A's elements are 2, 3, and B's elements are 0, 1, and C's element is 1, 2, right? So what is B union C is B, that is 0, 1, and C 1, 2. So you have to write all the elements of B and C, right? So that is what union means. That is 0, 1 union 1, 2. So you are going to write all the elements. So that, so 0 1 1 0 1 1 2, but we should not write the repeated elements. Okay, so here 0 1 is there, after that again 1 is getting repeated, you could able to say, right? So if the numbers are getting repeated in both the sets, what we have to do is we should write only ones. Okay, 0 we have, you can write 0 1, then they have wrote 1, but you see here 2, they straight away wrote 2, they didn't write again 1 here because this 1 is repeated here. So union means repetition should not be there. Okay, so B union C is 0 1 2. So we found out B union C. Now we have to find out A cross B union C. Okay, so A cross B union C is, A is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 cross B union C, that is 0 1 2. So we are going to do the cross product. So cross product means each and every elements of A should be mapped with all the elements of B union C. Okay, so 2 should be mapped with 3, 2 should be mapped with 1, 2 should be mapped with 2, again 3 should be mapped with 0, 3 should be mapped with 1, and 3 should be mapped with 2. So likewise, so 2 comma 0. So first we are mapping first element of A with all the elements in B union C. Okay, so 2, so 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 2. So that is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 2. Then 3. Then we completed mapping all the elements of B union C. Now we'll move on to next element of A, that is 3. This 3 we have to map with all the elements of B union C. Okay, so that is 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, and 3 comma 2. So that is what we written here. 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. So this is actually this one they have termed it as 1, or you can give this is actually LHS. Okay, now we found out LHS, that is A cross B union C, we found out here. Okay, so this is only A cross B union C. Now we are going to find out A cross B union A cross C. So now we will see what is A cross B. Okay, A cross B is, A is nothing but 2 comma 3 and B is nothing but 0 comma 1. So this is already given. 2 comma 3 is 0 comma 1, you have to do the cross product. 2 comma 3 cross 0 comma 1. So similarly, each and every element of A should be mapped with all the elements of B, right? So 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1. Then 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1. 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1. Now we found out the cross product of A cross B. Now again we have to find the cross product of, see, we are actually finding out RHS. If people are getting confused, you can concentrate on the question. Okay, first I already told A cross B union C we found out, right? So this is A cross B union C we found out. Now what you are going to do is we are going to find A cross B union A cross C. So we have to check whether bracket is there. So bracket is here and bracket is here as well. So first we have to find out the braces. Okay, whatever, so not braces, bracket, whatever there inside the bracket, A cross B, and we have to see this, we have to find out this bracket, and then we have to find out this bracket, and we have to do the union. Okay, so that is what first we are finding A cross B. Okay, now we are going to find out A cross C. A cross C is, A is nothing but 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 and C, right? C is nothing but 1 comma 2. Okay, so 2 comma 3 cross 1 comma 2. So we have to do the cross product. Okay, so as I said before, A cross C, right? Here we are finding out A cross C, that is A is 2 comma 3 cross C is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. So 2 comma 3 cross 1 comma 2. As I said before, each and every element of A should be mapped with all the elements of C. So 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2, 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Then the next we are going to map this element with C. Okay, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2, 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, so we found out A union B, and we found out A union A, sorry for the mistake, we found out A cross B, and we found out A cross C here. Okay, this is A cross B and A cross C. Now what we have to do is we have to do union for this for these two elements. So what will be the union of this thing is, union means all the elements should be included, all the elements should be there for A cross B union A cross C, but only thing is if the numbers are repeated, we are going to write it only once. So that is what we are going to do. So in that case 2 comma 0, so now we will find out A cross B union A cross C. So A cross B union means all the elements should be there, all the elements should be included, and the repeated, if any numbers are repeated, we are going to write only once. Okay, so I am writing 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma, so what will be the A cross B union A cross C is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is repeated, 2 comma 1 is here and as well as it's here, so we are not repeating it. Okay, then 2 comma 2. Okay, 2 comma 2 we can write it, and 3 comma 1 we cannot write because it's already repeated. 3 comma 1 is already here, we already wrote it down. So 3 comma 1 you should neglect this 3 comma 1, and then 3 comma 2 we can write. So we have to neglect this 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1, because 2 comma 1 is 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1 are repeated. Okay, so we are going to write only once. So we will move to this page. So you can see A cross B union A cross C is. So what will happen is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, and then 2 comma 2 is 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1 is 3 comma. They have actually written in the order. Okay, and you can see 2 comma 1 is repeated only once. I mean, they have written only once. If it is repeated, they will ignore it. Only once we have to write. And then again what is it, 3 comma 1 is repeated, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 1, right? So only one 3 comma 1 is there. Okay, they are not repeat, they are not writing two times, they are writing only one times. Okay, so this is the answer: 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. And this answer is proved for this one, A cross B union C, that is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1. So it's both are same. So LHS A cross B union C is equal to RHS, that is A cross B union A cross C. So it's proved. Okay, so similarly you have to write it for second term. So we completed first one, it has been proved, both the elements are same. Okay, I will teach in next class how to write A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B. We will prove this one, second one in next class. Okay. Okay, so hope you all understood the problem. If you people have any doubt, post in comment section. Tomorrow we can see the exercise problems as well as the second problem. That is in example 1.3 we didn't complete the second one, right? So we will see the second one and as well as we will see the exercise problem. So we can see in next video. Until then, bye.